Hey, welcome to the new me. New hair. So, I don't know if you could tell or notice, but I've got my hair. Lagyan ko siya ng kind of little bangs, like wispy curtain bangs. I don't know why they call it curtain bangs. Maybe because it looks like a curtain, but for me, it's just like a wispy bangs with, tiny lang. I haven't been wearing bangs for a very long time. I used to wear like bangs, like side swept bangs. The last time that I had side swept bangs was 2017, and yeah, the last time, or 16, I've cut it and then I just let it grow. Since at that time, bulol, at that time, I we were in the Philippines, and alam niyo naman sa Pilipinas, guys, it is so hot. So when I have bangs, ang dami kong mga bungang araw dito sa aking forehead. So ang kati-kati. So to remedy that situation, I just let my bangs grow and have it, clipped, so I could easily like tuck it at the back of my ear, ganyan. And now that I am here in Japan, and also it is like the autumn, it is cold now, like 10 degrees or higher a little, like 15 degrees. So I could easily get away with just like, having bangs in front of me. But I don't know how I'm gonna feel about this because it's bothering me. I just got it and it's already starting to bother me. Jama. Yeah, so usually I wanted my hair to be like away from my face because makati nga, and also to prevent having like pimples on the forehead. But let's see what will happen. But to be on the safer side, I just have it cut like really long up to my cheek. Yeah, ganyan. And then I frame it like this because before I have like this one length. I had my hair cut up to this length, so it is one length lang. And then also I did some layering on the back and on the side of my, also the back. Don't ask me how I did it, but for how many years now I cut my own bangs. But for the length, I cannot see the back, so that rookie did cutting the length, and then I do the layering. So that's how I do my hair. If I am in the Philippines, definitely I could get away like going to salon. But if I am here in Japan, I am kind of skeptical going because there was a point in my life there was a time when I went like have my hair cut, and I wanted to get a very like ano lang man, A-line bob, but not that A-line, just a little, and then a little graduation here at the back, not too much. But what he or she did, I forgot if it's a girl or boy, a man or a woman, but he or she like razored my hair to the point where it doesn't look like the I'm gonna post a picture of what I wanted, but it ended up like a very wispy, and then like the emo type na bob. Yun yung nangyari sa aking hair. So that's not the peg, or not the thing that I wanted to get on my hair. So when I went home to the Philippines, I have it corrected. Fortunately naman, yung gumawa ng aking hair is a Korean hairstylist doon sa Pinas, and then buti naman na-adjust niya yung at least yung hair ko. So that day on, hindi na ako nagpa-haircut dito. So I started cutting my own hair. And for me, it works naman kasi medyo mahal din yung haircut dito, guys. Like pinakamababa is like 3,000 yen, ganyan din, and you will end up not liking it. So and yeah, my bangs to at least para maiba namang ating face kasi getting heavier. Like I'm not gonna tell you how heavy I am right now, but look at my cheeks, it's getting bigger. Haven't you noticed? But before we came back here sa Japan, medyo ganyan pa tayo. Comment in the comment section kung ano ba yung mas bagay sa akin, like having this kind of cheeks or yung ano yung mas gusto niyo. But so far naman, okay lang din naman yung ganito na cheeks kasi I am already in my 40s and medyo nakaka, younger looking naman siya, at least tingnan pag yung medyo chubby cheeks ka compared to like, mas bagay yung ganyan pag medyo bata-bata pa tayo, no? Pero pag ganitong medyo may edad na, definitely mas maganda. I don't know, it's weird, but yeah, I'm talking already 5 minutes. Grabe talaga ako magsalita. So I am going, may bagong Hakuyin store na open dito sa amin. Malapit lang, dyan lang, mga 15 or 10 minutes walk lang dito sa Valor. So it's freshly open, but I already went there the other night, like Thursday, but I haven't, I just checked very little, but hindi pa ako nakapasok talaga sa kaloob-looban niya. So I'm gonna go there and check it out, okay? Kasi alam niyo naman, if you're watching my videos, I am a 100 yen person. I love going to 100 yen store, so let's go and see you all there.
Ay, nako. Kung lubit ka do, minus 2. Hindi, good, 6164.
Peace out from Akanoren. Okay, bye. Let's go now. It's not yet 6, but it's so dark already. We're out from Akanoren. Woo! Kinda cold now. We're gonna head to 300 yen store now. Really been wishing to have a 100 yen store nearby. Finally, it happened. This 100 yen store is just 9 or 10 minutes away. Walk, not by car, by walking. So it's pretty close to where our apartment is. If you live here in Japan, having a 100 yen store nearby is very handy because they sell anything here from beauty, kitchen, baths, anything that you could imagine in a very affordable price, which is 100 yen. Although some of the items here are like around 200, 500, but still it is very affordable if you are going to compare it, if you're going to a regular store here. Most of the items that are sold in a regular store cost like around 500, 1000, 2000, but here it's only 100 yen or 500 yen maximum, or 1000 yen for those that are like the electronic stuff. They sometimes sell it like for like 1000 yen, but it is already very cheap compared to going to electronic shops. I don't know about you guys, but sometimes when I just need a paper bag to wrap something, or like a paper bag for a gift, I don't want to spend like 500 yen or like 800 yen, 900, 1000 yen just for a paper bag. No, I cannot. I just can't. So having a 100 yen store nearby is very helpful. Like in this cosmetic section, they sell a lot of stuff like this beautiful high quality brushes. Oh my gosh, guys, I even saw like a cuticle nipper here, although it is not 100 yen. I think it was around 300 or 500 yen, but it is still very affordable because cuticle nippers are expensive. And I think I tried, or I bought one, and it really works. It is not dull at all. It really nips the cuticle so beautifully. So here's me now, already got some stuff, and I just wanted to show you this, guys. This is something really interesting that caught my eye. It is a digital spoon scale. I haven't seen something like this before, a digital spoon scale. I wanted to try that one, but maybe next time. Bye. We're out from the Hakien. Yay! So I'm back. I'm home now. I will just quickly show you what I got from Watts. Yes, Watts. First time kong narinig yung 100 yen store na Watts. Yeah, I don't know if bago lang ba to or like, but the look and feel of it is like parehas lang sa Seria. Yeah, ganun yung niya, yung feeling niya doon. So yeah, I was looking for something nail care wise products, pero like what I saw something from YouTube, yung yung mga gel nail kit na bagong release sa Seria. Akala ko meron doon kasi parang yun nga, like I've said, medyo they look a little the same with Seria, pero wala doon. So next time I'm just gonna go to Seria. So what I got there guys is itong mug na to. Ang cute niya. It says, pares lang ba? Cafe no relax. Cafe enjoy no relax. Cafe olat. Yan. Ang cute niya. Tapos, sa pinag-uusapan pa namin ni Ruki kung magkano to is 100 yen lang ba to? Because walang nakasulat. Kasi pag medyo mahal yung price niya, if it's not 100 yen, meron siyang nakalagay na sticker dito, but eto wala. And then nag-iisa na lang din siya, wala na ding iba. So yeah, so akala namin 100 yen, pero may feeling talaga kami na hindi to 100 yen kasi it doesn't look like pang 100 yen na mug. Ang ganda-ganda niya. So it ends up na 200 yen. So okay na din kasi 200 yen lang naman. Kasi I need a new mug kasi nag-crack na yung binigay sa akin ni Lota. So eto. And then I went to the sa nail section nga kasi I really wanted to buy something for nail, but I saw this yung clip din. Kailangan ko din ng claw na clip ba to? Claw clip? Yeah, I don't know. Basta hair clip. At tapos ang ganda niya. Bow, bakit bulol ako? Ang ganda niya, and it is in clear na gray. Gray, not gray, green. Hindi to gray, green. Green is my favorite color. That's why I got this one, yung green na hair clip. And then hindi masyadong marami yung collections nila ng gel nail polish. Yeah. And also, hindi siya 100 yen compared sa Kando, sa Daiso, tsaka sa Seria. 220 yen siya. Tapos yung brand niya is Citimi Color Gel. Ganito yung itsura niya. Parang nakikita ko to sa Amazon. I don't know. I'm not sure. Pero medyo mahal siya nga. Yun nga. 220 yen. With tax na yan. So, yung bottle niya kasing laki ng Daiso. Pero, I don't know how many ml yung content nito. Hindi ko mabasa because I don't have eyeglasses with me. So, ito yung Daiso ko na gel polish. Tapos, ayan, medyo pa. Mas malaki pa yung, you cannot see it better. Ganyanin natin. Natutumpa. Ganyan na lang, okay? So, mas malaki pa si Daiso is 100 yen. Tapos, ito 220. Let's see if kung yung quality niya is better this one kasi mas mahal siya compared to Daiso if it's more opaque. But yung binili ko is 3 lang kasi yun nga mahal. Ayan, the color that I got is Misty Pink. Ito, Misty Pink. Ayan. Tapos yung Aurora, ang ganda niya. Tapos, Candy Milk. Candy Milk. Ayan. So, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing a video for this, but I already have one video featuring my Daiso gel nail polish. So, hopefully, in the future, we will do that. Oh, somebody's trying his ano na. Yun. And then, the next one is, I got a, ano ba to? Nail art brush yung, ano, yung, basta yung ito, yung manipis na tip pang nail art. Medyo pricey din siya, 220. Medyo mahal yung watts. Hindi siya to 100 yen. And then, I got me another LED light. Mura lang to, 330 yen. I think magkaparehas lang din sila ng Daiso ng price. Kasi yung ganito ko is dinala nila sa Ashi when they went home sa Philippines kasi isa lang yung nandun sa kanila, and maybe kung sakaling masira yon, may backup sila. So 6 watts, yeah, just good for like curing sa mga, specifically sa mga yung nabibili ko na mga gel nail kit sa 100 yen. Ayan. And then, last but not the least pala, eto, when I was, magbabayad na sana ako, naalala ko that I needed wireless mouse. Kasi mahirap yung, binigay ko kay Baba yung aking mouse. Kaya I need. So, this one is 440 lang. Medyo mura. Hopefully, okay lang. But last time naman, yung binili ko na mouse, parang Daiso din lang yata yun. Okay naman siya. Yeah. So, hopefully, this will work. Obviously, everything is made in China. Guys, FYI lang. Lahat naman talaga sa world ngayon is made in China. Pati din dito, I work. For those who do not know, I work in a factory, manufacturing company. And most of our like raw materials and stuff galing China, and we just assemble it. So yeah, galing China na lahat kung na kayong So eto yung pinakahuli kong binili. So yun lang yung nabili ko, and then I paid, I don't know, I lost my receipt, but I paid 2,090 yen in all. Tapos konti lang kasi 220 lang. So yun. But happy na din ako kasi and excited to try my gel nail. Wish ko lang na pwede kaming mag gel nail sa work, pero hindi. But this coming long holiday sa December, ang layo pa. Today is November 12. And yung long yasumi namin is sa end of December. But I wanted to really try to have the things that I got from Seria. So yeah, been itching to do my nails, guys. Been itching. Here's my new mouse from what's the 100 yen. I use AAA battery here. Yeah, and it's working so fine. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm gonna bleach Ruki's like beard kasi he wanted it to be bleached. And yeah, I'm using my new mug. Oh, there's a spill. But I'm gonna use my new mug because I'm excited. Yeah. Ang sarap. This is like 70% cocoa and almond milk. Perfect for this very cold weather. So guys, yun nga, I'm gonna call it a night, and I hope everybody is all well. Keep safe always, and yeah, always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And hopefully I will see you all on my next video. Keep safe, everybody. Bye.